In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your Shopify store using Shopify Flow. Shopify Flow is a fantastic free automation app available to all Shopify users, even those on the basic plan as of July 2025. It allows you to streamline and automate various tasks, helping you to manage your store more efficiently. Let's dive right into it and get started on setting up your automated workflows. First, you'll need to access Shopify Flow. From your Shopify admin panel, you can do this by navigating to the Apps section and then selecting Flow. Alternatively, you can go through Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and finally click on Shopify Flow. Once you're there, you'll need to open the app. Now that you have Shopify Flow open, it's time to create your workflow. Click on Create Workflow. Here, you'll be faced with two primary options. You can either browse through templates to choose from a range of pre-built workflows designed for common tasks, such as fraud risk alerts or payment reminders. Or if you prefer to tailor the process to your specific needs, you can start from scratch to build a custom workflow. The next step is to define the trigger for your workflow. This is the event that will initiate your automation process. To do this, click on Select a Trigger and choose the appropriate event from the list. Some examples include Order Created, Product Variant Inventory Quantity Changed, or Customer Created. Make sure to select a trigger that aligns with the task you want to automate. Once you've selected your trigger, you have the option to set conditions, although this step is not mandatory. Adding a condition allows you to refine when exactly your workflow should execute. Conditions specify certain criteria that must be met for the actions to proceed. For instance, you might want this to happen only if the order total price is greater than $100 or if the product variant quantity is less than 5. You can also decide whether all conditions need to be met, or if just any condition will suffice. After setting your trigger and any conditions, the next step is to define what actions will be performed. Actions are the tasks you want to automate and will be executed when the conditions are met, or straight after the trigger if no conditions are provided. Actions can include sending a Slack message, tagging a customer, sending an email, or creating a draft order. Ensure that you configure the details of the action, such as the message content for the Slack notification or the email template you wish to use. Finally, you want to name your workflow so it's easily recognizable, and then activate it by turning on the workflow. This will set your automation process in motion. To give you an example, consider a workflow where the trigger is the product variant inventory quantity changed. The condition is that the current quantity is less than 5. In this case, the action would be to send a Slack message to your inventory management channel, notifying your team of low stock for that specific product variant. Keep in mind, Shopify Flow can integrate with various other apps, allowing for even more complex automations and notifications across different platforms. And that's it. You now know how to automate tasks in your Shopify store using Shopify Flow.